What if one simple code could supercharge your crypto trading journey? That's not just a sales pitch, it's the reality for thousands of new Bybit users worldwide. Welcome to the show. If you're ready to dive into trading or just want the best possible start on Bybit, you're in the right place. Today, I'll reveal how using the BYCODE referral code can unlock up to 30,000 USDT in bonuses, grant 100% trading fee discounts on select promos, and deliver exclusive new user rewards. Sounds too good to be true? Let's walk through how this works, why traders hunt for the best referral codes, and exactly what sets BYCODE apart. Maybe you're thinking, is this just another gimmick? Not quite. In crypto exchanges, referral codes work like a backstage pass. Think of them as the VIP wristband that lets you access bonus campaigns and special fee discounts, or as your golden ticket to exclusive trading events. Here's our roadmap. First, I'll break down referral codes and Bybit's bonus system. Then I'll guide you step by step through activating BYCODE to claim your rewards. And finally, I'll compare referral and regular registrations so you can make an informed choice. Ready? Let's crack the code. Let's get practical. You want those bonuses and you want them now, right? Here's what you do. Go to Bybit's registration page. Sign up with your email or phone, and crucially, enter BYCODE in the referral field. Double check that you've typed it correctly before finishing up. Now, why jump through these hoops? Imagine leaving a coupon unused at checkout painful, right? BYCODE acts like a bonus magnet. Once you've registered, you'll see opportunities to unlock rewards like a 30,000 USDT welcome bonus and up to a 100% trading fee discount, depending on the campaign. Here's the technical side. Bybit runs promotional campaigns. Think of these as limited time offers in a mall, but online. Trading fee discounts mean you could execute trades with zero commission, while welcome bonuses act like store credit you can use for trading or staking. Both dramatically improve your starting position. Maybe you're asking, can anyone use BYCODE? It's for new accounts only, but whether you're a total beginner or an active trader looking for an edge, this code opens doors to special campaigns and exclusive rewards. And here's the kicker, those who skip the code often miss out on promotions. It's like joining a club and forgetting to collect your welcome gift. Take the extra second, enter BYCODE, and maximize every opportunity right from the start. Let's wrap up with the essentials. First, the BYCODE referral code is your fast track to bonuses up to 30,000 USDT and 100% trading fee discounts on select campaigns. Second, using BYCODE unlocks exclusive promotions you can't get by signing up directly. Third, it takes just seconds to enter, but the benefits could seriously boost your trading experience on Bybit. Now, the action step, if you haven't signed up yet, head over to Bybit, start your registration, and don't forget to enter BYCODE. This tiny detail can mean the difference between an average start and an epic one. You might be wondering, what's next after I get my bonuses? Stay tuned, because in our next episode, I'll break down how to actually use those rewards, navigating Bybit's trading, staking, and unique launchpad features, plus strategies to avoid rookie mistakes. Before you go, if this guide cleared up your Bybit questions, or you're ready to claim your bonuses, share this episode with a friend who's also exploring crypto. Remember, In crypto, small decisions like entering BYCODE can have a big impact. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time with more insider tips and actionable strategies.